just want some gingerbread.
You guys stretching? Come on. Let's see.
I just go completely around the cone, down and back, and all racers must pass this line to get the achieved time. Go on your mark. Get set. Go. Ready? On your mark. Get set. Go! Alright, Boothbay. Kids, you got the wobbly wheels and these guys are wobbly. Wait, boys. Come on now. Alright, straighten her out. Let's go, boys. Come on. You're not running. Last four, keep going, guys. There's this guy on the What do we have for now? Now this is McSeagull. These guys, hopefully they didn't suck down too many mimosas or anything down there.
No, we're 100% sober.
All right, I'm kind of weary on that. Those are some interesting hats. I couldn't say that. On all your beds. All right, you ready, guys? All right, take a nice couple deep breaths. On your mark, get set, go. All right, keep it straight. They're all over the place. I think they're
Don't stop! Don't give up!
Here we go. Here they go. Around the cone, guys.
What are you doing?
Got you guys by the hour. Kids, stand here. Out of the way, guys. Right, there, guys. We got more time there.
39, 78.
I don't know. Well,
Oh boy.
somebody's got some dishes to do tonight. 39 and what?
78.
39.78.
All right.
So on this year's winner, we've got the Boothbay Opera House at 2644. The golden coveted Boothbay crown has been awarded to Boothbay Opera House. 2013. Come on, gingerbread, tee up here and get your prize.
I got pushed. They're coming down.
You folks did a wonderful job and you deserve every bit of that coveted prize. You should display it with pride.